Welcome to our comparison of two top-tier dash cameras, the REDTIGER 4K dashcam front/rear and the 3-channel 4K+1080P dashcam. In this video, we will delve into their features, pricing, and performance to help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's get started. The REDTIGER 4K dashcam is priced at an attractive $149, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking for quality without breaking the bank. In contrast, the 3-channel 4K+1080P dashcam comes with a higher price tag of $599, reflecting its advanced features and capabilities. While the REDTIGER offers great value, the premium price of the 3-channel model suggests enhanced performance and additional functionalities. The REDTIGER 4K dashcam is equipped with essential features like a STARVIS2 sensor, WDR night vision, and a wide-angle lens. It also includes a free memory card and 24-hour parking mode. On the other hand, the 3-channel dashcam boasts a more comprehensive feature set, including HDR night vision, 3-channel recording, and a free 64GB card, making it ideal for those who need extensive coverage and advanced functionalities. In terms of performance, the REDTIGER 4K dashcam delivers solid video quality with its 4K recording capabilities and a wide-angle view. However, the 3-channel dashcam takes performance a step further, with its ability to record in 4K and 1080p simultaneously, providing comprehensive coverage of both the front and rear of the vehicle. This makes it a superior choice for those who prioritize safety and detailed recording. In conclusion, both the REDTIGER 4K dashcam and the 3-channel 4K+1080P dashcam have their unique strengths. The REDTIGER offers great value for those on a budget, while the 3-channel model provides advanced features for those who want the best in performance. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.